What's up, you guys? Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Jordan Moyer and this is my new apartment here in Mexico. I've been living here for 2 months now, a little over 2 months I guess. Just moved into this apartment the other day. Haven't been uploading videos to the channel too much lately just because I've been a little bit lazy. Plus I've been focusing a little bit on learning how to set up this rental property business. And what was the other thing? Oh yeah, moving here took like friggin' 3 weeks to set up. It's a little bit crazy, a little bit frustrating for sure. Tell you guys a little bit more about that in a second. But you know what? This is what we're dealing with today. Just a lot of rain there. It's literally just been rain for a few weeks. I had Amy, or sorry, not a few weeks, but a few days. Had Amy get here the other day, and basically the day after she got here, it's been raining nonstop. So rather than being a couple other places where we wanted to be outside right now, we've had to adjust our plans a little bit. So I'll show you guys a little bit about what the apartment looks like. There's a 2-bedroom, there's a bathroom. As you can see, I have my Isatori shrine set up, so don't forget to use the code JORDY15 on all your Isatori product purchases, isatori.com. And then we have the kitchen here, which we will be doing a few cooking videos in, ideally. Oh, wrong light. So yeah, we'll be doing a few cooking videos here. Get that a little better set up. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, that's why I haven't really been uploading videos lately. Just been a little preoccupied with a couple other things. That's a little bit of a clip of what the apartment looks like, and of course our rainy day today. I will be doing a little bit more of a complete apartment tour in one of the upcoming videos, and I have a little bit of a list here of what we're expecting to be uploading on the channel soon. So definitely going to be doing tips and tricks on how to travel to Mexico without using a resort. So I picked up a ton of cool things for you. It's definitely some things that will save you money and some things that will save you frustration. And let me know in the comments right now there below too if you guys want me to include like some common, Spanish words or phrases that you're going to have to be using that you might not be aware of. We've also got a 10,000 calorie day of eating, which I'm going to be trying to do today, so I've got that planned out. With the rainy day, we're a little bit behind schedule today. It's almost noon, but we're still going to try to make it work. We got more macro-friendly meal prep vids, so experimenting with food down here. I've been making mostly like burritos, tacos, stuff like that, but it's super easy to make and macro-friendly. So I'll show you guys some of the exciting recipes that I've created recently. We're going to have some vlogs of different towns that we're going to visit. So that was the idea. We're supposed to have some Tulum visits under our belt already, but sorry, it's called Tulum. We pronounce it wrong usually from Canada, but basically what we'll be doing is trying to get some footage of these other towns with the drone too. So that's pretty exciting. We did get a drone. I'll show you some footage of that right now. So yeah, ideally what we'll be doing is getting some really good footage with that, aerial footage, and I don't know really what else we're going to be capturing, but hopefully some pyramids and some forests, some beaches, stuff like that, right? Plus we do have a few full workout videos planned, so I do have 6 full workout videos planned. I was going to try to get a few of them done in Tulum, so make sure you're staying tuned for those ones. And also just basically a basic push-pull leg split for you. I know I've got some push videos on the channel. We definitely need some more leg videos on the channel, but don't forget there are already a full workout playlist, so I'll try to link that down below or put a card popping up right here for that. And let's see here. Okay, I guess finally we're super close to 1,000 subscribers. So if we could get everyone who's not watching this video, typically there's like 70-80% of people not watching or that are watching the video that aren't subscribed. Just smash that subscribe button, smash the like button, drop a comment while you're at it. But mostly subscribe right now. Let's get over 1,000 subscribers right now so that we can get the channel to just keep on growing. And if we can do that before I post that next video, it would be really awesome, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to do a quick little update, so you can expect a Cancun vlog coming up soon as well. And then after that, probably this 10,000 calorie day of eating, okay?